Okay, this is Luminar Neo, AI photo editing tool and software. If you open the software, you face this interface, and it's very easy to use. It has three main part: catalog, that you can see your photo. From here, if you want, you can add any photo, add any image, or add a folder to open all of the image. And these are preset of photo that are, if you install software, you can see them. I use a trial version. If you want, you can buy the software subscription, or let's check the website. Here it's the price, and you can buy if you want. But I use trial version to make tutorial with these photos. Okay, first in a catalog, you have to double click to open software, open image that you want. It's very simple. With scroll mouse, you can zoom in or zoom out. Then with a left click mouse, you can pan, and it has some guide that you can try some image that you want create from here and edit here. And this is the catalog one. You can see the photos. Here you can add album that you want, or add a folder from your PC. Here we have the preset. These are presets that are photo editing. It's a lot of things that create for you. For example, easy land. You can, for portrait retouch, you can use them. They are using a lots of, actually, I think, for example, you can use some of them and are the downloading from the server. And as you can see, you can change the color and something else in software like this. As you can see, you can going most over them, and you can see change live. This preset has a lots of tools in them: color correction, sharpness, or anything that you want. You can use them here. So in another panel is edit, and here in edit we have in the preset, in edit we have all tools that exist in this software. And in this category, in this part, you can use all of them. But if you come back to catalog, we have some plugin: HDR mesh, focus stacking, upscaling, panorama, you can make a panorama, stitching. And from here to extras, you can click and you can install them. Simply click and click to install them. They are with the software. And if they add plugin, it's appear here, and notification comes here. Here you can go to the marketplace and buy some image or preset or anything that you want, or Xmember. Extensions comes here. There are lots of interesting tools that I explain them one by one. So they are come here. It's very simple. You can upload your photo, for example, upscaling, or if you buy or install any plugin, it comes here. But if you go to the edit, the tools all come here. It's very simple and easy. And for example, if you open it, you can see, you can enhance some sky enhancer or anything that you want, you can add here. You can see them or not. So for example, use magic light, anything that you want, you can use here. Look at here. Interesting. And in edits, if you use any of these tools, it's come here that tells you, okay, you use a magic light and enhance. And after that, it means that, for example, you use magic light and enhance, that it means the tools that you use comes here. And then after that, you can come back, or you can discard all of them at once, or enable them again if you want. Just open them and enable them. or you can simply delete them if you want. Come back and then delete. Come back and then delete. And or you can come here to the action and revert to the original. If you change any changes in the video, you can come back here. Okay, as you can see, it's in zoom, and here is after and before compare. For example, I am at the sun ray, for example, here, and it's amount, and here you can compare it, or denoise, or for example, real light. You can change it if you want, or again enhance. Nice, and then you can compare it with here, original, and the image that you change. You can compare with the original and edit image. Or here you can temporarily, if you're holding mouse on this, you can temporarily disable the all changing that you changing here. Okay, and that's it. It's very easy. And after that, if you you can of course here turn it off. You can of course here add a layer on your image. Add a layer, and you can, for example, add flares, add light, anything that you want. For example, this. Okay, you can add some particles here, and here in layer properties, you can change the layer properties and the layer overlay. That's how I will explain them more. In this lesson, I just want to explain user interface. And like in Photoshop, you can simply click and drag to change the layer or add another layer over them, and change them to multiply or anything like a Photoshop. Going mouse over it and you can see it. And simply right click, you can hide or remove or duplicate remove. For the duplicate, I use when you're using masking, I explain them more, you can use the duplicate. And right click and remove. And after that, if you want to export your image, you can right click, close the tools, right click, and we have other settings here that you can rotate, flip, and here's export or create album, move the trash. Here you can simply export your image any format that you want and settings that I explained it at the end of the lessons. Okay, this software is very easy to use, and as you can see, the AI tag is here. It means this created by AI, and other tools I explain them one by one. It's very easy for portrait, for face, for studio light. It's very interesting. Okay, that's it. And let's revert to the original and come back to catalog, and here you can add your photo here first from your computer or from a folder and edit your image very easy.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.